Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. We just wanted to send you a quick update to tell you what's going on in the market, because believe it or not, but the market is crazy at the moment. So since Trump joined, I mean, it's been a roller coaster. He's been doing anything from coming out with a lot of really good crypto news, as many of you know. Everything from creating a digital currency stockpile, hiring people that are very pro-crypto, to a lot of other things that are both good and bad. For example, he's imposing tariffs on other countries as well, which the other countries hasn't been too happy about, including China, Mexico, and other countries as well, Canada. And the market has been reacting kind of weird on all these things. So what happened? Well, what happened was when we now got the tariffs, it was going to start on the beginning of February now, the market took a nosedive and Bitcoin really fell down 16-17% from the peak. But there's no need to worry, we believe, because there's two reasons for this. Looking at the weekly chart, what you can see here is that, number one, we're still trading above this level of support here. And as long as we're staying above that, it's not a problem. It's absolutely fine. And if we do go below it, yeah, we might see a pullback down to here. Worst case scenario, 71,000. But then it's probably going to carry on going up, because when in doubt, I think it's always important to zoom out. So when you zoom out, you see that the market has been going higher and higher all the time, and it's never been any time in the past history where so many countries, so many companies, so many funds have bought and are buying Bitcoin as we speak now. And we believe that the next thing that will happen is that we're going to go into an altcoin season. And the reason for that, and this is even scarier, Ethereum as an example, fell down roughly 47% from the high in just a few weeks. Yesterday, it went to the lows, but it got all the way back up to 29%, which is brilliant to see. But we'll see, no matter what happens in the shorter term, the facts are that the funds and the ETFs, the big players are all buying Ethereum, Trump included. So we think this could trigger off the next altcoin season that we think is around the corner. So what's important here? Well, what's important is, number one, never panic. Always do rational and make rational decisions. Number two, we will never take too much risk. That's important as well. So never take too much risk. We would never recommend anything. But one thing we do, we put the least amount of money into startups and new cryptos, and the most into solid companies like Amazon, Tesla, and others. And then, of course, in Bitcoin if we talk about cryptocurrencies. But number three, this is the most important one. You have to use a strategy. So use a strategy which tells you exactly when to enter, when to exit, when to buy more, how much to risk, when to take profit before you even enter. So you know these things before you even go in. And that's what we really are good at. So then we can leave the emotions outside the door and we enter accordingly to our strategy by feathering in, but then also feathering out when the market and price goes up. So hopefully that makes sense. We just want to send you this quick update so you know what's going on, what's happening in the market in order to take advantage of it as well. So we see this as a buying opportunity because we're not panicking, and all the fundamentals are lining up really nicely for cryptos and the stock market as well, despite what's happening in the shorter term. So just zoom out a little bit, look at the bigger picture. As we're seeing in Bitcoin, it's literally gone from 16,000 to 100,000. It's okay if it pulls back a little bit before it goes higher as well. So hopefully that makes sense. Let us know if you need any support. We are here for you, and look forward to seeing you all really soon.